In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't access iCloud on my iPhone. So if you cannot access your iCloud account on your iPhone or the Apple ID access is grayed out, then you need to take some steps. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to take to fix can't access iCloud on your iPhone. So in my own case, I intentionally graded out my Apple ID or iCloud account so that external users will not be able to access my Face ID and passcode to change my password or remove me as a user on my iPhone if mistakenly I misplaced it or thereabout. So you do this, I use the screen time lock to secure my account. So this is purposely to secure your iPhone. So if you want to secure your iPhone from unauthorized users when you misplace it is advisable to make sure that your Apple ID access is grayed out, and this will eventually hide your iPhone Face ID and passcode changes. Now, to fix can't access iCloud on my iPhone, this is what you need to do. Go to your iPhone settings and then click on screen time. Once you hit the screen time, you need to scroll down and click on content and privacy restriction. Once you hit that, you need to scroll down until you get to allow changes. Under allow changes, there are a few options available. Then you need to click on passcode changes and account changes. So these are the two options that we need to enable to be able to access iCloud on your iPhone or on our iPhone. Then tap this. You want to type in your screen time passcode. Once you type your screen time passcode, you'll see an option that says allow or disallow. Then choose allow, hit the back button, come to account changes as well. Then make sure you choose allow and hit the back button. Once that is done, then you can come back to your iPhone settings. Then on your settings page, you see the Apple ID that was grayed out is no longer grayed out. It is now accessible. If you click on it, then you can see you can now access iCloud on your iPhone. Choose to click on iCloud here. Then these are your iCloud information. These include photos, iCloud Drive, iCloud Mail, and then so many other information you want to access under your iPhone iCloud. So this is how to fix can't access iCloud on my iPhone. If this video is helpful, want to smash the like button, want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.